Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's global shipping program. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, Amazon's global shipping program is a powerful tool to expand your business internationally. By utilizing this program, Amazon manages the international shipping process, simplifying the complexities of global logistics. To get started, log into your Seller Central account. Head to the Settings tab, click on Fulfillment by Amazon, and then select Export Settings. Here, you'll need to enable FBA export from Amazon.com to allow your products to be shipped globally. Once enabled, your eligible products will be available to international customers. Amazon will take care of everything, from calculating shipping costs to handling customs clearance. Your job is to make sure your products are prepared according to Amazon's shipping guidelines. Using Amazon's global shipping program can significantly broaden your market reach with minimal effort. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.